Over in House 3, Daniel's been looking for his missing piece of LVL timber.
The LVLs don't come very cheap around the block. You know, they're like rare as hen's teeth, hence why it got taken off our pile.
And he just found out House 2's builder, Corey, took it.
Whose stack of timber is that, Corey?
Don't know, mate.
Bull, look at the side of the house it is,
So
mate.
do you need I'll go get you one, mate. Do you need a prop? I'll get you one.
Sake, mate, you don't pinch stuff from people's sites, mate.
Okay, mate. This one works for you.
My head in, thieving, mate.
That's all right. I'll go get you one. It's okay.
But I did give Corey a bit of a working over that I wasn't putting up with him stealing stuff off of my site. Found out when my timber's gone, next door neighbours are taking it and cutting it.
You me.
No, I'm not. I'm going to have to get one, Corey, mate.
Okay, I'll go get it now.
That was...
I'm sorry, I'll get one now.
Well, it's thieving. Just straight away, it's just not on. If it's not yours, you shouldn't take it. We all know that. I can't hear you. Don't want me. You touch me. Nothing else. Why isn't someone doing something about it?
Ha! Great segue, Dan. And thanks to you and the good folks at Channel 9 doing something about it. Roll the promo.
Coming soon to 9.
Hi, I'm Daniel, I'm 34 and I'm a farmer.
He's a starer, that's what you are.
Okay.
He's left the country dust behind him to find a dust-up in the city.
Who's that in my house? Me? Yeah, you thieving mongrels. Definitely don't take any crap.
There'll be conflict.
Why'd you go running to Keith? I've got to rip my trim up now.
What do you mean running the key? There'll be no one pushing me around on the show.
Very, very feisty.
Yeah, you don't get on Dan's bad side.
Me. You're a head, mate.
A farmer that knows what he wants
It was in here. What's that got to do with me?
and knows how to get it.
And I'll just keep poking it until it just explodes.
Will Farmer Daniel find the one?
1 million viewers will make their own decision.
New Farmer Wants a Fight.
It's pretty funny. They all reckon the farm wants a fight. Yeah, it's whatever.
I don't understand why they say that. It's just...
I've heard it a couple of times now. It's a bit weird.